Thank you for taking the opportunity to visit SardisForestHomes.com, the perfect place to find real estate in Sardis Forest, a community that is conveniently located and perfectly situated close to I-485 and Highways 74, 51, and 16. Not only is this community a protected wildlife habitat, but it also has many amenities for the residents and guests alike, like the community playground, or the community basketball court, Junior Olympic-sized swimming pool, residence clubhouse, and lighted tennis courts. This community is also perfectly close to restaurants, retail, and recreation alike. Once again, thanks for taking the opportunity to visit SardisForestHomes.com. If you're in the market to sell a home, please give us a call and let us show you how we can put your home on the front of the list when it comes to prospective buyers looking to purchase in Sardis Forest.